Hello and welcome to another Wednesday on Snippet of Us. With me, Kayliana. The theme for this week is nature / anything natural. So what I decided to do is do 10 animal impressions for you. Now all the animals I'm about to do are suggestions both from Melody and Ashley and me as well. So enjoy. I can't do a parrot. No, it sounds like I'm eating or something. Pig is the hardest one for me. I went to a peacock farm. I know how to do this perfectly. Now this last animal took me forever to figure out how the heck it sounded. I mean, it's like a lot of people don't know what it says, really. I think maybe if I danced, it might help me to figure out how it sounds. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. What the fox say? What the fox say?
Alright, I'm totally kidding. I just wanted to throw that in there because it's one of my favorite things. So actually, I think the fox just screams. Yeah, that's all I got. I don't really understand that whole thing. If you would want to see last week's video, go ahead and click that right there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would actually want to see me do another weird video like this, let me know in the comments. And also let me know which animal I did the best.